Hi, my name is Adam Meyer and I'm the ePortfolio coordinator for Career Connect. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your folders within the ePortfolio system and how to use the filing system.
While you're working on your ePortfolio, you have a button up here that's called Files that allows you to edit your files. All these files appear in the order that you've already changed them. So quickly, we're going to teach you how to arrange your files so that they're in a meaningful format so you can find them. You cannot edit the files from this screen. If you go up to the folder at the top of your page, there's a Manage Files button. Click on that. You'll be able to create folders here. And move things into those folders. Choose the folder that you want to put it in. You can move all of these around as you want. You don't have to move them to do it. You can click on it, say move, choose the folder, and move it. This allows you to keep moving these around. You can also select multiple images and move them by clicking on Move Selected to a folder. Within any folder, you can create new folders and you can nest your folders as you want. This allows you to set up your projects and your folders and your files in a way that is meaningful when you're working on your ePortfolio.
I hope you found that video useful. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to use the Gizmos function to add images, slideshows, videos, and more to your ePortfolios. You can find that link to the video above.